In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your emails using Microsoft Outlook 2025. We all understand how crucial it is to keep our data secure, and backing up your emails ensures you have access to them in case anything happens, like system crashes or accidental deletions. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process of using Outlook's built-in tools for exporting your mailbox. To begin with, you'll want to start by logging in to your Outlook account. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Once you've gained access to your account, you'll notice a settings icon that looks like a gear, conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will lead you to a menu with various options. For the next step, navigate your way to the General section. Once you are there, you'll find the Privacy and Data option. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to manage the data within your email account. Keep following along, and it'll all be smooth sailing from here. Now let's zero in on the Export Mailbox feature. Within the Privacy and Data section, there should be a clear option labeled Export Mailbox. This is the tool you'll use to back up your emails. Go ahead and click on it. It's straightforward, but it's also the essential part of this tutorial as it sets everything in motion for saving your data. After you've triggered the export process by clicking, the system takes over. Outlook will prepare your mailbox data for download and, importantly, this phase may take a little time. Be patient, because you might receive an email with a download link within a few minutes, or it could take as long as 4 days. Don't be alarmed by this wait. It's completely normal. This step ensures that all your data is accurately and securely compiled. Once you receive the email from Outlook, you'll find a link inside which will allow you to download your mailbox data. A critical point to remember is that this download will be in the form of a .txt file. This is the standard format for storing email messages, calendars, contacts, and other data used by Microsoft Outlook. The .pst file serves as a comprehensive snapshot of your email data, much like traditional backups you might be familiar with. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures your emails are secure and have a backup ready whenever you might need it. Remember, keeping regular backups is a wise habit to protect your valuable data. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident about maintaining your information safety. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!